This is the demo for the XFX button. XFX has a lot of different effects in it, and I'll go straight from the I will go through all of them. Here we go. So the first effect is this one. The first effect is this one. The first effect is the first effect is this. It's stutter. Stutter effect. I'm going to put a drum pattern down and let you hear what it sounds like with drums. Baby wanna dance, yeah. 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 Baby wanna dance. So that stutter effect, the first mod 1 is the division. So I'll do that again. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's faster. Come on. Yeah, 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 come on. And the second mod is the level. So when it's the white style, it's the quarter note. So that's kind of the thing you can sort of get your references to how fast it is. So I'll go back to this one. So that's a white one. Gets faster than that. Keeps dividing it by 2 until it goes to really fast. So that's that style. Second style is I guess it's called the chopper effect, and that gets really fast. Chopper effect, the slowest is the quarter note, and then there's a stereo chopper effect. Yeah, and then there's a ring modulation. Oh, yeah, at a low frequency. It's like tremolo, and then whoa, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is the crazy effect. First product that TC-Helicon's ever done with this effect in it. And then we have Flanger. It's a stereo flange, and mod 1 is rate. Yeah, yeah. Mod 2 is depth. So it makes the rate not affected as much. Yeah. And then it's a mono flange. Yeah. Yeah. And then the last one is something that you got to hear drums. So I'm going to actually make a simpler drum pattern because it's easier to hear. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's a ducking compressor. It's a ducking compressor. So, yeah, and that's all the effects.